Aloha everyone, this is Mei Fan Jen and also Kalapilea. We are doing this video on uh, these topics called Vigilant Spreadsheets, written by Charles Kelleher and Lois S. Mahoney from the Journal of Accountancy in November 2001. And so these are some of the key concepts that we'll be covering in this video. But one of the advantages of learning about this particular key function is that it will make your data analysis more faster and also easier, and will save you a lot of times. And so in this video we'll be covering the function key of conditional formatting, and also using these two function key, COUNTIF and SUMIF. And so Nathan will be teaching you about the conditional formatting.
Aloha, this is Mei Fang. So I'm going to introduce you this function called conditional formatting. Okay, so when you open Excel, you under the home tablet, you will see the conditional formatting. Sometimes when you're doing a worksheet like this, then you want to immediately to know if your sum of the result is the same amount with your check figure. So this function will help you quickly be informed that, for example, this after deposit is the same amount as the check figure. Okay, so when we hit this button, conditional formatting, we see the new rules. And you can use a formula to determine which cell to format. So you can choose here, you just said use after deposit. You want your after deposit amount will be the same, not less. Let's put not less or greater than your check figure. So you want to know if it's greater or less, that there was some sign that you would know, or it's go over or less. So you want, if the number is less or greater, they would have red color filled in the cell. So you hit OK. Okay. Do a test. Let's see. How about we put this 400 to 450, which means it's 50 over. So we see. Okay. Maybe there's some. Okay. This cell that before we do this, okay, we put some rules there. I don't want this rule to be here anymore, so I can go to conditional formatting and find clear rules. And I already picked this cell, so I don't want this cell, there's any rule on this cell to affect it. What I just did in this rule. So there we go. Okay, there it becomes. So there's no any formatting on this cell, only this that I just set. Okay, and I want to go back to 400. But I also want to know about deposit. I want my deposit amount here. This is like my daily deposit amount will be the same as this deposit here. So I can also do here conditional formatting, I don't have to go to new rule. I can go straight to highlight cell rules. If okay, let's do this here. I don't want this deposit go over this deposit amount, so I put my cell here. So highlight greater, so I don't want this cell amount greater than this deposit amount. If it's go over, I want it turn green field with dark green text. Hit OK. Let's do an experiment. What if I put 14,000? So it's go over this deposit amount, so they would turn green text. Okay, so okay, that's it. And if we read, okay, the same, so we can use the manage rule to see we still have this rule that we just put here to check what rules that you're using right now. Okay, so here's the conditional formatting. Hope this will help you instant to know your check figure and your result is the same as the check figure. Aloha.
So Mayfang just teach you guys about the conditional formatting. Now I want to show you guys how to use the two function key called the count if and also the sum if. But first let me delete this data right here before we go on with this function key. So let's pretend that I am a junior accountant in the financial office, and here are a student that their tuition or the balance of the account, and so let's say that I wanted to know how many number of students that their balance is greater than 4,000. So I'm going to use the function key called count if. So equal count if. I'm going to use this as a range, comma, parentheses, greater than 4,000. Make sure you close parentheses, close bracket, and hit OK. There it goes. It shows me that there's 3 students that their balance is greater than 4,000. What if I wanted to know the total balance of student that their balance are greater than 4,000? And so I want to use the function key called sum if. Sum if bracket, and I want to use this range as the same, comma, parentheses, greater than 4,000. Make sure you have close parentheses, bracket, and it shows me there 14,500 balance of student that greater than 4,000. So another question that can come up, that can come up, what if I wanted to know the total balance of SASA for a student? So I'm going to use the same function key, equal sum if bracket, and I'm going to use this range, comma, and type in sum see what was the put space right here. There you go. It gave me 7,000 for the total balance for just for Sasa seabed. So what if I wanna know the total balance for the original? So I'm gonna use the same function equal sum if market. I'm gonna use this range right here, comma. I wanna find out what is the total balance for region 1, the comma, and also this sum range bracket. And so it gives you the total balance for the region 1. Now if you want to change the region, you do. It will give you a different answer. Let's say you hit 3, you want to find the total balance for region 3, hit 3, it will give you a different answer. So to conclude our video, we just show you how to do conditional formatting and also using the two function key, countif and also sumif. Mahalo.